Hello guys, today we have an unboxing video. I just got this JBL Go 4. I just got it. You see here JBL Go 4, JBL by Harman, grab and go 4. 7 hours of playing time. IP67 waterproof. It has won awards here, as you can see. Design Award 2024 and What Hi-Fi. Auracast. Stereo pair multi-speaker connection by Auracast. This is how the front of the box looks. Oh, the camera is really good. JBL Go 4. Bluetooth version 5.3. And 7 hours of playing time. So it has this little thing. And let's open it. I have already opened it just to see it. Let's open it. It's tabs, so you just do this. And you place it like this. And the unboxing experience is 7 out of 10. So this is the speaker. I got it in the blue color. Let's take it out. It's okay. Not really heavy. Pretty beautiful, the blue color. Although I could have gotten the squad. In the box, what else you have? You see this after you take the speaker off. Here we have a USB A to C cable. Come on, JBL, we want USB C to C cables, not USB A to C. And some warranty cards and a quick start guide, nothing too crazy. And then you just place. Oh my god, bro, I'm gonna. Okay, just leave them like there. I don't care. This is the speaker. It's pretty good. So on the side buttons are the on-off switch, the Bluetooth button, the Auracast or the multi-speaker connection, the light here that turns on off. On the top we have the minus volume button, the play pause button and the plus volume button. Here you get something from JBL. I don't know, many people don't notice this, but if we zoom in 3 times, it says designed with passion. And it has that little strap here. On the other side we have the Go 4 text and an orange USB Type-C port. On the back is just this rubber thing to not let it slide. On the end you can also put it like this. It is beautiful. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I have connected it though one time, so it's gonna just connect to the pad 7 immediately. So you should connect it. Turn on sound is pretty like low volume, but let's go ahead and try a song. Let's just type Netflix real quick because it's just. Let's try the best song. Tell me that I can't. Yes, on 0.5% until it opens. Full volume, why not?
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put it down, I'll be getting loud. You can never doubt, not what I'm about, have your fucking cloud. It be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, bitch I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me.
Okay, pretty good.
A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me
that I can.
Just
tell me that I can.
Just tell me that I can.
The sound quality is pretty good. It's not really loud though, around 70, 75 decibels, maybe 80 at its peak. It's really punchy, the sound. Definitely when you hold it, you feel it. You feel the bass. Like, see here, it shakes the camera. That's all I have to say, guys. This was the unboxing and the review and sound check. No, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it to your friends. And this is all I have to say today. I'll see you in the next video.